Welcome back to Activity 26, Section 1B, Ordering the Wall of 10. I've finished my wall of 10. Yours is going to look slightly different. Your rows will be in a different order to mine. The next thing we're going to do is order the wall of 10. The reason we order things is that maths is a science of pattern. When things are in order, it makes maths easier to understand. We're going to slide our wall to the side and then start by placing the row that begins with a 1 first, followed by the row that begins with 2, and continue in counting order until we've finished ordering the wall with every 2-part bond of 10. At the end, you will end up with a single block of 10. Pause the video and order your wall so that it's in counting order.